If you're looking for real estate lead generation tools, then you've probably come across a ton and wondered which one you should be using. Well, today we're going to have a look at DealMachine. We are going to put them up against PropStream, and we're going to figure out what they have to offer and why you should be using one or the other. Alright, let's have a look at DealMachine. So, DealMachine is driving for dollars made simple. You can discover how DealMachine is revolutionizing the way real estate investors find off-market properties through its innovative mobile-first approach to driving for dollars. Let's have a look at a little bit more. Some of their core features include a mobile-first design, so it is purpose-built and it is for driving for dollars, lead generation with the intuitive interface which is optimized for on-the-go property scouting. It also has an instant property intelligence, so here you can snap a photo of any property to immediately access owner information, mailing address, and even property details. It also offers integrated marketing, so you can launch direct mail campaigns and automated follow-up sequences directly from your phone while still in the field. You can also see over here why investors are choosing DealMachine. So it has an efficient off-market sourcing. So its advanced GPS and mapping tools track your driving routes. This helps you cover more ground and avoid revisiting the same areas. You can save hours of manual research with instant property lookups and owner contact information. You also have direct owner communication. So to initiate contracts with property owners through the app via calls, text, and customized direct mail is super easy. You get professional templates and tracking tools also that can help you manage multiple outreach campaigns. And there are proven results. So it's trusted by top wholesalers nationwide who report finding deals faster with less administrative work. Analytics dashboards track your activity, response rates, and deal pipeline. This means that the app, the platform, the software is doing all of the work for you, eliminating all of the boring, mundane tasks that don't actually matter as much, where you can just shift it off to the software and it just automates everything for you. And you can concentrate more on more important things. Okay, we're looking at PropStream now, and PropStream is a comprehensive property data powerhouse. This allows you to unlock the most extensive property database available to investors with tools designed to help you make data-driven decisions with confidence. PropStream's key capabilities include nationwide data coverage. You get access to detailed information on over 153 million properties across the United States. You get comprehensive ownership records with equity analysis, detailed mortgage and lien information, and historical tax assessments, as well as transactional data. You're also allowed to filter properties using 120 different criteria to find exactly what you're looking for. This is automated comps with adjustable parameters. You get quick property valuation tools with flip analysis and custom search templates for repeated use. You're also allowed to plan efficient driving routes to view potential investments in person. This is a map-based interface with saved route history. Your property clustering is great for optimizing your drive time, and the mobile app actually synchronizes for field access. PropStream's user advantages. So let's have a look. First of all, you can gain competitive edge with layers of specialized property data, which is unavailable on standard listing platforms. You get pre-foreclosure and foreclosure status tracking, auction and REO property monitoring, bankruptcy and tax delinquency filters, and vacancy property identification. You can also share access with up to 5 team members, allowing collaborative research and list building while maintaining centralized data. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this was helpful. My takeaway is always to go and use the software and see if it actually works for you in a real life situation. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.